M0FXB, welcome to my channel DV Megacast, and we're looking at the upgrade manual. It says here radio hotspot upgrade instructions. So this is let's call it an IP radio. It will link you into DMR, D-Star, Fusion. There's a microphone on the front. It's actually a Yaesu microphone, and you can use this without actually using a radio because it logs you straight into the Pi-Star system. Anyway, it can also be used as a hotspot. So you can walk around with another radio, DMR D-Star Fusion, and talk via the unit. But you do need to get some additional items for your DV Mega. So one thing you need straight away is this cable here, and I will put the link in the description. It's about £15 delivered, so that's the cable. The next thing you need is the board here. Now you can get these DV Mega boards in the UK from Martin Lynch. You can get a UHF model or a VHF and UHF model, and they are, for the UHF, they're good. They're £100 for the lower one, maybe 130, 40. So if you look here at how it's connected, so this is where the ribbon connects to the underside of the board. Just remember this screw, it'll give you an idea, because this board is going to face outwards from the case. So just be very careful read these instructions. Red wire must be towards the side of the board. So you remove the top cover. Let's even get this a bit bigger. Remove the top cover. Remove 2 screws on each side of the device. Keep going down. Knock out the back of the device. Now this hole is sort of already there, but there is a metal plate you have to remove. And the board will poke, the antenna part of the board will poke through that hole. Scroll down a bit further and you'll see there that it's trying to get this as big as possible. It's poking through, and then the ribbon cable you can see is here. And you need to be really careful you connect this in the right place. So study these photographs. And the idea behind this, once it's connected, is that the whole unit can become a hotspot, basically. Attention, again, it keeps saying it, red wire must be towards the back of the device, right? Keep saying that over and over again. So now you can replace your top cover. So here's a view from the top. Your DV Stick 30 normally would go here. If it doesn't quite fit in because of this board now, you can just put a little extension here, USB extension, and then you'll be able to find a place for it, stick it down. Now you can put the top cover on. Then you've got configuration here. Just reduce the size a bit so we can read this. The configuration is easy, accessible with a standard browser. Just put your IP address. The screen will show up like so. It is possible that the host name cannot be resolved in your network. Then you have to go via the IP address. You can find the IP address on info screen of your DV Megacast. So select info here and you'll get your IP address. Press info. Now enter the IP address into your browser. Click configuration to go to the configuration page. The configuration page is divided into configuration blocks per function. Scroll down to the general configuration, which is here. Study this carefully. You can see it says here modem type DV Mega. Settings marked with a blue dot are important for this upgrade. So radio frequency, DV Megacast main radio, that's the one there. Radio frequency, set a desired frequency, then you can set that on your radio. The radio hotspot mode and the standard DV Megacast mode cannot be activated at the same time. So you're either a hotspot or you're just using the DV Megacast as intended, where it's basically communication, digital communication, without having to use a radio. If you have active radio hotspot mode, radio modem type select. So you do need to change selections. DV Megacast hotspot. See the way it says here? DV Megacast hotspot. Dual band or DV Megacast hotspot single band, depending on the hat that you've got. Click apply changes. Now the DV Megacast mode is disabled and the radio hotspot function enabled. Attention for D-Star, be sure that you've got the same repeater 1, repeater 2 settings are matching your D-Star radio. Yes, of course. That's the way D-Star works. If you like to revert the DV Megacast mode, just change the radio modem back. So if you look here, it says radio modem, DV Megacast base radio main unit. That's how you switch back. And that's it. So have fun with that. And what is the point of adding the unit to the DV Mega? Well, the point is that you can walk around your house with your favorite digital radio, and you can just chat away. You're not stuck looking at sat next to this unit. So give it a go. And then in another video we'll talk about adding the DV stick module, and they're about £80-90, because that will allow you to use what they call an ambi server. It basically means connect to the device using Wi-Fi, and then again walk around with your device and control it via the Wi-Fi and an app, a Blue DV app on your phone. 7.3, all the best. Thanks for watching.